Welcome to Part 10 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, in which you will learn about rulers and guides. Rulers are a crucial part of any design application. All designs are finalized by the eye, but first organized by dimensions. To bring out rulers in Illustrator, go to View, Rulers, Show Rulers. The rulers will show up on the top and left side of your window, and will be in whatever units you have set in Illustrator. The rulers start from the upper left of the page, but you can change the origin by dragging the little square where the rulers meet to anywhere in the document. You can reset the 0 point of the rulers by double-clicking on the little square. Guides are made by clicking anywhere within the rulers and dragging out to the document. To move or delete guides, just select them as you would an object using the selection tool. You might need to lock them to prevent editing them by accident. Go to View, Guides, Lock Guides. When you select this menu item, it will change to Unlock Guides. Typically, working in Illustrator involves quite a bit of moving the view in and out. So it is probably good to know that with any tool selected except the Type tool, you can hold down the space bar to get the Hand tool. Additionally, holding down the Command key gives you the Zoom tool. And add the Option key or Alt key into that, and you get the option to zoom back out. Try these things. One other technique is worth mentioning here. When things get complicated in Illustrator, it is sometimes hard to see what is going on. By going to View, Outline, you can see objects without their associated fills and strokes. This can help a lot, but remember to change your view back to View, Preview to see your document normally. Some people also find it useful to turn off all the hints that pop up as you move your cursor around objects. You can do this by going to the View menu and unchecking Smart Guides. Like the Window menu, the View menu is very helpful. Try some other options. And lastly, that space around the outside of the page, use it. It is called the paste board, and it is handy for storing things that you are working on but you don't yet want part of your design. Get into the habit of copying things you are working onto the paste board. If you succeed in making them better there, you can place them back on the page, and if you mess them up, then just hit the delete key. Most of the professional designers also tend to fill the pasteboard with different designs that they can easily retrieve and compare with their current edits. But would not it be nice if the pasteboard was white, so you could see your other versions of things better? In older versions of Illustrator it was, but with the new stylish Adobe interface, it defaults to a dark gray. Change it back to white using Edit, Preferences. I know you think the program looks cooler with the dark pasteboard, but let's be practical. You can switch back to gray whenever you want. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all in our Part 10 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. So I will see you in Part 11.